Yo, check it out, check it out. Yo, 1 2 1 2, check it out. Yo, you ever been around somebody that's not like, into like hip hop or whatever? And you could tell they were like out of place. And I go, what's going on, man? They do this just, yo, what's going on, man? What's up, man? What's up? Check it out, check it out. Bro. Flavor Flav? You're doing an impression of Flavor Flav? I don't know, man. I just wanted to say that. Check it out, check it out. Yo, check it out, check it out. Yeah, we heard you. We're doing something behind your back. Pause. We're doing something behind your back. Pause. And when I said that, a few of you probably was like, yo, pause. I paused. We're going to prep the RXK. So everyone thinks it's going to get painted. Everyone thinks that it's at a body shop right now, and it's not. So we'll keep you posted throughout this vlog on what we're actually doing with the car. And this is fun. I like to keep you guys on your toes. I like to keep you guessing. I like to keep you excited. I just love surprising you guys, man. I love it because you're like my family, and it's like when you pull, you haven't been home for Christmas in 9 years, and you pop out of the door, hey, whoa! I like it. Gavin's motor's in. Remember, I showed you guys me putting it together over here on the table, and we put his motor in. We're not working on that. We just wanted to get the motor inside the chassis, and then now we're going to go work on the RXK. So we're going to head over to the other side of Yonkers and show you what we're getting into. Can you please smash that like button? Because this is dope. This is awesome. This vlog is going to be sick. Can you please just like... All right, guys. Okay, boys. You are not yanking all the way and trying to dump the back. That's it, man. Jeff is the owner of the car. This is his crew. Talk about a shop, guys, right? SM Autoworks here on Nepperhan Avenue. This is a brand new shop. This is Mike, the gentleman that helped us with the powder coating stuff. And we're basically going to get into exactly what we're doing. Again, this is going to be like a one-stop shop. So he's going to do powder coating. He's going to do tinting, alignments. He's trying to get a dyno. This is going to be probably one of the biggest shops in Yonkers, New York right here, because no one covers all of this in one shop. So you'll be able to come here, get some vinyl. They wrap this truck right here from scratch. I mean, look how beautiful this wrap is right here. They take everything off and they start getting it going. This is Mike, this is Daniel, and these two gentlemen here are running this facility. And no one even knows what we're about to do. I'll let you introduce it. The RXK.
Okay, yeah, so Aki bought us the RXK. Literally over here. We have some minor body work we have to, touch up. And then after that, we're gonna wrap the car.
That's it.
Yeah.
So everyone thought we were gonna paint the car the entire time, Dan, and we're gonna get to it. So no one knows the design yet. No one has any idea. We've been planning this for a couple of months to surprise you guys, but I wanted to get this video out. We're gonna save it for the reveal, but you're gonna see the process that it takes to basically wrap a car, right? So detach all the handles.
All the handles, we're gonna take the spoiler off, we're gonna take the bumpers off, headlights, taillights, take everything off. We don't shortcut anything. We get inside all the jams, we get in everything.
Awesome. Awesome. We're gonna get to it, but look at. I just wanted to show you guys this wrap right here that they did before. How old is this wrap?
This wrap's about, say about 2 months.
Like this color's so nice, man.
Yeah, this color's
Yeah.
vibrant.
Yeah, this is a really nice color. Well, and what's it here for?
It's just here for some minor repairs, you know. It happens, but basically we just gotta redo this here. Couple of pieces, couple of panels.
He told me that Mike told me that somebody like scratched it.
Yeah, it came in from the city, and you know, I had a couple of scuff marks here, a couple of scuff marks in here. So
This color is so beautiful.
yeah, this color's vibrant. I mean, it pops, especially with, you know, all the black trim on it.
Hell yeah, this is awesome. But yeah, man, these two gentlemen have been building this shop for weeks now straight. They built that room there. They did their own floor. Mike does the electrical part, and they're just trying to get all their equipment back in here. They get the gears rolling. They got a huge yard in the back. How many square feet is this, bro? It's big.
I believe this is 7,500.
7,500 square feet right here. This is our goals for a future shop, man. This is a beautiful shop. I'm so happy for them that they found a nice location. They're literally about 5 minutes away from our garage. But I wanted to show you guys this. I wanted to get to it. I brought some tools. I didn't want to bother them using their stuff, which they don't mind. These guys are so down to earth. It's unbelievable. So we've got some pits in the primer that we have to take care of. Mike did an awesome job. Like you see here through the wrap, that's going to show. Again, when we're claiming that we're building you know, one of the greatest RX-8s, we have to emphasize on getting stuff like this out. We have to do our job. So I brought some scuff pads. We're gonna need some different kind of sandpaper. Luckily, my boy Gus is next door. He's a body shop, and the car is entirely marked with everywhere there's a flaw. We're gonna fix all of that. We're gonna detach everything, and I'm gonna get to work. Trappy should be here real soon, and then me and him are just gonna strip this car. It's gonna look so weird later. But are you excited? Gunners, this is where I'm at right now. I've never worked on, you know, body panels on an RX-8, so I'm kind of stuck at this door right here. I found 2 Phillip heads. Gonna probably have to Google the rest of that way. Found the mirror screws, obviously. Took off the headlights. Worked on this side. Took off the rear bumper. Took off the spoiler. And just setting everything up. We're gonna clean all that out before wrapping the car. But the bumper's off. We got a few nicks and crannies we gotta take care of. But I'm just moving along, man. We're stripping as much as we can off this car so we could start sanding down all these, you know, hard lines and imperfections here. But it's going. Trappy should be here any moment. Make life much easier because it'll be 2 of us just knocking stuff out. But here goes the progress, man. We're getting to it. I surprised them, Trap.
I had to do it to him.
They had no idea. Okay. Talk about it, Trap. What are we? We're stripped? What's off?
All stripped. Door handles are stripped. Headlights, tail lights, bumpers, side skirts,
Mirrors.
mirrors. Real quick, that's not the cleanest motor you've seen in an engine bay. In a hybrid swap. Yeah, I thought so.
I ain't want to say it, bro. But
Somebody had to.
these people,
Somebody had to.
they can't do it.
Somebody had to.
I mean, it's hard to keep up with, man. Imagine 1,000 square feet.
Terrible.
Just
double the
1,000
space. Yeah, just give us double the space.
Just give us this little corner right here.
What are we on to now? Sanding and like
Yeah.
prepping edges.
Yeah.
Getting rid of the hard edges for
Yep.
so it could be a nice preparation.
Yep, absolutely.
Preparation. Bro.
Absolutely. They have no idea about the color. So
You guys
that's going to be
excited?
fun. We're going to just keep it that way
You guys
because we
excited?
are wrapping the car, not painting it, but they don't know the color. So that's the best part.
You guys excited? I'm excited.
I told them to smash that like button. I hope they listen.
It's free too.
Word.
It's free.
You don't got to pay taxes on it.
Word. There ain't no
Yeah.
33% on that.
Nah, ain't nothing on there. All right, let's get to work.
Just buy new ones.
Sometimes you can't. Sometimes you can never tell. You know what I mean?
Getting rid of those
Sometimes
roof
they'll come out-
moldings
Shot
right
right
here.
here.
Sometimes they'll come out.
That's shot, huh?
That's right, though. We get new ones for that.
All right, crispy. Trap using the Fisher Price one.
Yeah, I'm using it for some I think I got it though, boys. I think I got it.
I don't know where we found that, Trap, but that thing's
Yo,
saved our
yeah,
life
yeah,
a few
it's-
times. We don't know what it is. It looks like an ice cream spoon.
It is, actually.
It is. It is.
Oh, boy. Ice cream. It's working. It's
It's
working.
working though.
All right, we're gonna get to the sanding part. Mike says that we have to start with like 400, 800 and just sand down these pits. We gotta get all that down. See that? We gotta make that nice and smooth so it doesn't show through the wrap. Oh man, Gunners, a lot of hard work. Spent a few hours on this, sanded it nice and smooth. Few more imperfections that we got to get rid of. You see that little dimple there? It's pretty smooth, but we're gonna end up filling that up with putty, sanding over it so we can have a nice body line. But this car is silky smooth right now. It's dead straight. We've got it. Obviously, we're gonna move some stuff around here to get it to align right. Fill this up right here. I couldn't sand anymore. Spoon did a hell of a job putting the primer on. He put it on so thick that he left us with room, for error. But
Big body guys now. Big body guys now.
yeah, we do body work now. I don't know if you heard about us. If you didn't hear about us, we're the Bash Brothers. Good afternoon. Man, we're beat. Been working on this car all day. Yeah, this vinyl is gonna lay down so nice on it because of all the preparation that's being done. Remember, this car was real rough because of the primer, but we did 400. Maybe tomorrow, Trap, we'll hit it with 800. Nice and easy.
Hit it with 800. Do take care of all the edges, all the pinholes from like the body filler and all of that. And I can't wait to see it.
Yeah, a lot of.
Let's get some good guesses, Trap. What you think they?
What do you got? What color do you guys think we're going to wrap this car? Comment below.
I guarantee. Nah, I'm not gonna say it.
No? I'm not wrapping carbon fiber. That's dead corny.
Word, please.
That is
Nobody
dead
likes
corny.
carbon fiber.
Oh my god. I don't know how this dirt got on here, Trap. But yeah, the car's fairly smooth, man. It's real nice. A lot of hard work. So yeah, we hit it with 400 gray scuff pad. Got a nice smooth body line on it. And maybe 800 tomorrow, just so we can smooth it out a little bit more, so it could just be damn near perfect. Because right now it's like at 90%. So we give it another day, maybe another hour of just sanding 800 real quick. We don't have to go too hard on the 800 either. Trap, pause. Just gonna touch the body.
Pause on that too. You can pause on that too. You can pause.
Whatever. They can pause all they want, man. I'm beat. But yeah.
Big up to all the body guys out there.
Nah,
I'm
man,
gonna
you
give
guys
you
are
that.
different.
For sanding a car down, I wanted to give up on the fender. I'm gonna be honest.
You guys are different. I sanded the AK. I told you, Trap, and that thing was a nightmare. Sanding, I hate it.
I'm like, it's not so bad. when I got to the vents, I said, yeah, we should have called this in.
Yeah, we should have just
should've
should have
called
hired
this up.
somebody. It's all good though. This is what it's gonna mean more at the end, bro, because we did every part of the car, damn near every part of the car.
From picking it up to sanding it. From picking it up in Long Island at one time.
Word. Shout out to Salvadori, right? What's his
Yeah,
name?
Salvador.
Salvador. Shout out to him.
Big shout out.
Yeah. Progression.
Yeah, you can still feel there's some high spots. If you run your hand on it. So other than that, your truck, hook hop?
Should be.
No.
Mike's giving it an inspection real quick.
I know this is the only corner we got. Well, we gotta get in here a little bit, but
Okay.
other than that,
So you think tomorrow going over with the 800 should do it, right?
100%. Yeah.
Like over all the edges.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just gotta hit it over with the 800, and then after that, we'll be fine. Nah, this came out, man. You guys did a good job. I'll figure out something tonight with the holes.
Yeah, we have to fill that hole up and those guys there.
And the back ones too, right? You're not putting
Yeah, we're not putting anything on there, yep. Yeah, we gotta.
Right?
Yeah, the skirt covers that, but I was just thinking about sanding it smooth,
Yeah.
just so we just don't have no occurrence later.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, right there. I tried to go.
we're just going over the car.
I needed something stronger than 400 to do like the vents and the
Yeah.
fender. You know, they got to do it.
Okay. Yeah, I have that.